Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Nothing Phone 4a Pro and the Poco F8 Pro. Today, we're diving deep into their standout features that could make or break your next smartphone choice. Which one has the superior camera capabilities? How do their platforms stack up against each other? And when it comes to display quality, which device dazzles the most? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you might just find yourself questioning everything you thought you knew about these two contenders. Are you ready to discover which phone reigns supreme? When it comes to photography, the Nothing Phone 4a Pro takes the crown with its impressive 50MP main camera that features a dual-pixel PDF and OIS, ensuring stunning clarity and stability in every shot. Meanwhile, the Poco F8 Pro boasts an 8K video recording capability, which is simply unmatched in its class, making it a videographer's dream. The combination of these features makes both phones formidable in the camera department, but the Nothing Phone 4a Pro stands out for its advanced sensor technology and optical zoom capabilities. For selfies, the Nothing Phone 4a Pro again leads with a 32MP front camera, delivering sharp and vibrant images that are perfect for social media. In contrast, the Poco F8 Pro's 20MP selfie camera is no slouch, but it simply can't compete with the detail and quality offered by its rival. If capturing the perfect selfie is your goal, the Nothing Phone 4a Pro is your best bet. Under the hood, the Poco F8 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, providing lightning-fast performance and efficiency that will impress any tech enthusiast. On the other hand, the Nothing Phone 4a Pro's Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset is still robust but doesn't quite match the raw power of its competitor. If you're looking for top-tier performance, the Poco F8 Pro takes the lead here, making it ideal for gaming and multitasking. In the display arena, the Nothing Phone 4a Pro shines with its 6.83-inch AMOLED screen, boasting a remarkable 144Hz refresh rate that delivers ultra-smooth visuals. The Poco F8 Pro features a slightly smaller 6.59-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which is impressive but not quite as fluid as its rival. If you're a gamer or a movie buff, the Nothing Phone 4a Pro's display is likely to enhance your experience significantly. When it comes to special features, the Nothing Phone 4a Pro's glyph matrix animated notifications are a game-changer, offering a unique way to interact with your phone. The Poco F8 Pro counters with its Bose-tuned stereo speakers, providing an immersive audio experience that's hard to beat. Both phones have their unique flair, but the Nothing Phone 4a Pro's innovative notifications give it an edge in user experience. Battery life is crucial, and the Poco F8 Pro comes out on top with a massive 6,210 mAh battery, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day without a hitch. The Nothing Phone 4a Pro, while decent with its 5,080 mAh battery, simply can't match the longevity of its competitor. For heavy users, the Poco F8 Pro is the clear winner in this category, promising extended usage without frequent recharges.